What's up guys? Pumasok ako sa isang server public. So, check natin kung anong meron dito. Wow. We're lagging. So, nga pala, I'm actually good at Minecraft. Let's set it. Dirt, maybe. Hop in, guys. Okay. First goal. Kill some player. So apparently we're kind of loser and kind of best here. So that means some player win here. Player. Oh, how convenient! Okay. We're kind of lagging now. This is actually we're lagging. We definitely gonna need iron armor. Oh, somebody's coming. So, kung sa magtatanong kayo, bakit ako guys? Basically, alasa so doon naman magkaganda. So guys, I still very small YouTuber. Somebody. How I'm gonna get killed? Guys. Don't join guys the server because it's the worst server I can find.